So if you're watching this today, that means that I'm presenting my buyer beware project. And you're probably wondering how my experiment went. Well, let's get into it. But first, here's a quick introduction on all the brands I tested. The first brand is Amscan Mini Candles. There's 24 candles in a pack and it costs $1.99. The second brand is still Amscan, but it's the regular sized candles. A 12 pack is $2.99. Next up is the Rainbow Moments candles. A 12 pack is $4.99. Next is the Celebration Mini Candles. A 72 pack is only $1.25. Next are the regular Celebration candles. A 20 pack is $1.25. Finally is the Magic Flame candles. A 10 pack costs $2.25. Now that the introductions are out of the way, let's get into the testing. So the first candle I tested was the regular Celebration candles. Test 1 lasted 14 minutes and 12 seconds. Test 2 lasted 20 minutes and 35 seconds. This gives us an average of 17.39 minutes. The price per candle was about 6 cents, which leaves us with a final PCS score of 8.725. Next up, I tested the regular Amscan candles. Test 1 lasted 23 minutes and 58 seconds. Test 2 lasted 24 minutes and 54 seconds. The average we get is 24.435 minutes. Each candle is priced around 29 cents, which leaves us with a final PCS score of 12.3625. Next up was the Mini Celebration candles. The first test lasted 9 minutes and 40 seconds, while the second test lasted 10 minutes and 48 seconds. The average is 10.235 minutes. The price per candle is around 2 cents, which leaves us with a final PCS score of 5.1275. Next up is the Mini Amscan candles. Test 1 lasted 11 minutes 50 seconds, while Test 2 lasted 12 minutes 31 seconds. This gives us an average of 12.175 minutes. The price per candle is 8 cents, which leaves us with a PCS score of 6.4875. Next, I tested the Rainbow Moments candles. Test 1 lasted 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Test 2 lasted 9 minutes and 48 seconds, which leaves us with an average of 9.525 minutes. The price per candle is around 50 cents, which gives us a PCS score of 5.0125. Finally, I tested the Magic Flame candles. Test 1 lasted 9 minutes and 1 second. Test 2 lasted 9 minutes and 34 seconds. This gives us an average of 9.295 minutes. The price per candle is 23 cents, which leaves us with a PCS score of 4.7625. And that's the procedure. Now I'm going to hand it off to future me to show you the rankings and results.